Welcome to our guide on dual screen setups. In today's digital age, multitasking has become essential, and a dual screen setup can transform your workspace into a productivity powerhouse. Using two monitors can significantly boost your efficiency, allowing you to compare documents, reference content, and keep track of multiple tasks all at once. Choosing the right monitors is critical. Consider the size, resolution, and compatibility with your computer. A larger resolution can make a world of difference. Ergonomics plays a key role in your setup. Position the monitors at eye level to reduce strain and maintain good posture. Explore essential software tools designed to help you manage your dual monitors effectively, enhancing your workflow. A clutter-free workspace boosts productivity. Implement cable management and smart organization to create a more efficient environment. Customize your display settings for optimal workflow. Adjust brightness, contrast, and other settings to suit your preferences. Avoid common mistakes such as improper alignment and neglecting cable management. A well-planned setup pays off. Real-world applications of dual screens are abundant. From graphic design to data analysis, discover how industries benefit from this technology. Embrace dual screen technology to empower your productivity and transform the way you work. It's time to take your efficiency to the next level.